Put your mics on and get your hands together for the champion of the day, Saurabh Bhaskar. Congratulations, congratulations.
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 The champion of the day, champion,
Congratulations,
champion.
Augure.
Congrats.
Non ci credo.
Congratulations.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
Saurabh, today is your day. You were hoping that one day my day will come when everybody will. There you are. This is your
Yes,
time. Hold
yes.
on. I'll put off all the
I was
microphones.
waiting
Wait, wait,
for
wait,
this
wait,
day.
wait.
I was
Saurabh,
for
Saurabh,
this.
wait, wait, wait. Now just put your mic on before you talk. Put your mic on, Saurabh. Put your mic on, Saurabh.
Yes, yes, it's on. Okay.
There you are. You were waiting for this day, you were saying?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yes, I was waiting for this day, and it is just dream come true. Like first of all, I would like to thank everyone, and I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Ambrish sir for all the hard work and dedication he put into helping me pass this theory exam. I can confidently say that he is not just a teacher, but he becomes your friend, guide, and like a family member throughout this Patente journey. And we were a class of around 50 students, 60 students, or more than that. But yet we knew each and everyone. Us we don't know each everyone personally. But even if you don't realize it, uh, Amrish sir always keep an eye on your progress and making sure that no one was just left behind. And for me, getting this license was very important because it will help me overcome many of my everyday struggles. To prepare, I attended both English and Hindi classes, and of course, if you really want to pass exams, uh, you have to stay consistent and practice your quiz every day, every single day, at least not 10 times, but at least 6 to 7 times every day. Finally, I just want to just give success and not have been possible. It's not have been possible without Amrish sir guidance, encouragement, and consistent support. Thank you, and thank you so much for believing in me and helping me achieving this milestone. It was really difficult exam. It's dream come true. Like Italian government exam, very
Saurabh, you're breaking
difficult,
up.
and for non-Italians, I can guarantee you. Thank you.
Thank you, Saurabh. Thanks a lot for lovely words and encouraging words.
Am I
Now,
audible?
when you're ready to take your practical, get in touch with me 4 days before. I'll help you there as well. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I know how much this license meant to you. That's correct.
Yes, thank you, sir.
All right. Now you see, now those people who are connected with me, they know that we've had conversations. Some people are not, they are more reserved, and obviously I let them be that way because it's their choice. But if you approach me, you know that I actually, even if you don't speak, I know your mental states and things that you're going through, good and bad, everything. For those people who've told me, of course, I never mention anybody's name, but if I don't call your name out, don't think I'm oblivious to your presence. I know what's happening. Even the person I don't call out very often, like I'm concerned. I know both patients got a child all the time. She has to take care and she takes her classes. I appreciate all the efforts people do. So don't think that anybody goes unobserved, even if I don't call your name out. I'm aware you're there and I know you're making progress. Okay, so keep that in mind. You're not out of my sight ever.